So, you run a small to medium sized business, and you've probably thought about doing some marketing to improve sales, but you had no time to do all that marketing stuff. No worries, this is where we come in. Now, let's take a look at an example of how we can help you. This is Tabo, and he runs a small but homely restaurant. The first thing that we've done for Tabo's business is a website primarily optimized for smartphones. Why? Because searching and browsing the internet is done primarily on mobile devices nowadays. The desktop version is still important, but going mobile first is crucial if you don't want to lose any potential clients. We've also optimized the site for local searches, aka local SEO. Thanks to GPS and other positioning technologies, if anyone with a smartphone searches for food somewhere near Tabo's place, his site will appear in the top results, together with a map, distance, and exact address. Secondly, overall search engine optimization will definitely follow. We'll take a look at what keywords are tied to your business, what links point to your site, and most importantly, what can we do with the actual website content. That should get you a better position on search engines' result pages. Thirdly, pay-per-click campaigns are another way how we can help boost your business. These paid online campaigns can help you get more attention on search results, even on competitive keywords. Could be easily tracked and measured, and are also really flexible. We could have them from today, and if you want, stop them tomorrow. Fourthly, another great way of how to make you more visible to the outer world is to start being active on social media. This results in increased digital exposure. You see, interacting in social networks can significantly increase your online presence. Social media leads to massive exposure due to its worldwide access, sharing capabilities, and huge amount of daily uses. It also boosts traffic and search engine rating. You see, social media is a major lead generator, and it constantly brings high volume traffic to your website. They can also help with SEO, since search engines significantly reflect your social media content. Note that social media marketing cuts marketing costs substantially. Compared to traditional channels like print or advertising, social media marketing is affordable for any business. Now, still got questions to ask? Or just want to know exactly how our strategies can help your specific business requirements? Just contact us. We help companies and individuals like you every day. Only at bigdomino.co.za.